delicious looking, amazing knife. Look at this knife. How cool is this? Not only is it cool looking and massive, this is a 10-inch bullnose carving knife, which right now I am smoking a giant chicken, which we're gonna carve up later, and I'm gonna give you lots of good B-roll of it. This knife is number one, freaking beautiful. Look at this knife. This thing is absolutely awesome. It feels so good in your hands, and it's a little scary looking, because to me, does this look like a little machete to you? Looks like a little machete to me. Good thing that it comes with a sheath, which is really kind of interesting the way it goes in. So you don't cut your finger in the drawer. That is a sign of an actual really nice quality piece. This feels so good in my hand. You've been watching Nikki carve up a chicken with this delicious looking, amazing knife. I hope my chicken came out good. This is my first time smoking a big old chicken like that, so we'll see how it went. But anyway, if you want to get this for yourself, because you really should, it is absolutely amazing. There's a link right here on the screen, and there's one in the description. If you would use either of those, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but definitely helps the channel out a little bit, lets us get more fun toys like this to do videos. While you're down there, remember to like and subscribe. It's really important to the video, as well as if you have any questions about knives and that kind of stuff, feel free to ask. Put it in the comment below. Let's have a conversation about it. I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.